our little hand sandwich. This is Hinge. He's...
Don't let him go up on high like that. Keep your hands on him.
Yes. Yep.
Look at the camera. There you go.
Almost.
He sees the reflection. He's gonna bite it. Too bad you can't have that on the camera.
He does not have enough range on his mouth to get all around the phone.
He reacted. That was kind of cool.
Yeah, no, I can definitely tell he would like one of those like fruit fly YouTube videos.
Yeah.
The muscles on his legs are so fascinating in the way that they tense.
And he's nice and strong, which is fun because kids who are ready for it, I'll hold them in and say, you can let him kick you, and they're surprised.
But like the way he strains against my hand, his his muscles almost vibrate in the way they tense up, which is awesome. He's already been fed today, right?
Yeah, actually,
Good.
2 days. We have a couple of kids who come with their school, and they come every Tuesday and Thursday as part of their school day. But that's only through the school year, so that's why I'm saying sometimes summer can be a...
Wait for the camera, Hinge. Okay. He'll just stare you down.
He's so... I love his
Oh.
pretty yellow chin. Oh, really? You're just gonna hide now, huh? I wish it were warm out because I'd tell you to take him out in the grass, but it's not warm enough.
Goodbye, little hamburger. Wait, do you give him clams?
I don't know. Is there extra stuff in there?
There's a clam in there, like or probably a mussel, but I bet he loves mussels.
I think that's just decor, though.
Are the we have no time to see if the Sallies or the hog.
I'd say, pick one.
The Sallies. Are the Sallies the same ones?
It should say on the labels. I think not. I think we had... Yeah, there was one until, I think it was really just maybe a year and a half ago that we had an old Salamander for a while.
I am going to dunk my hands in the minnow
Oh,
tank.
yeah, sure, that's what Oh, you're right in your water dish, you know what?
Yes.
I will take advantage and I will change the water.
He's getting his jowls. So here is our tiger. Please fear him.
Such vicious dragons that half the time can't even manage to aim and catch a worm.
But you know who could? The Bluey.
They're so cute. I'm just small. They're hard to take care of.
I mean, the Bluey certainly was not.
There's just less food options because you can't give them too much stuff with chitin or they'll. I had one going to college and I had it for 4 years and the place where I went to school, the pet shop didn't have stuff in the winter except for mealworms and it got gut logged and it died. I was so sad.
Yeah.
Fresh water, yay! The other one's like, where did you go with my roof? depending on the day. But salamanders might be my favorite. They're so cool.
Yeah.
And yet, I mean, you'd never imagine it just staring at them right now. Like, but I like their little froggy faces. And